Good morning!
Good morning.
Changing Bam Bam's clothes. You guys, look at my cool pants. Aren't they cool? They're cool, huh?
They are pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. I'm about to go for a run and go to baby boot camp.
Cue the crying in 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, you tricked me. Clap, clap,
Yay! You tricked him! I left my baby at home, so look who I got. Can you say hi? Can you take a look?
Really? With the
Can you
look?
take a look?
You're holding to your feet. You're holding your feet. You're staying bent over. Down. Go.
There you go. Little Blue zooms off again to see what he can see. It's little Reddy probably says our white-eyed number 3. Yay! Clap, 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 clap. Did you clap? I know you see my camera. You see my phone. And you're distracted, aren't you? Oh, sorry. No, you wanted to do that. He spots some rustling in the leaves. He thinks he's found one more. Little Yellow, out you come. Together we are 4. Sorry. He flies across the rooftop and swoops and takes a dive. Little Purple, there you are. We're now a group of 5. Little Blue says to the owls, it's my turn, everyone. Now close your eyes and count to 5. Our playtime's almost done. The other owls look here and there. They go where Blue likes best. They find their friend, fast asleep, back in his coziness. Clap, 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 the end. Say the end, Bam Bam. All done, yay! Look.
Oh my!
First time. Every time you see this.
Hey! The second you see me, that's not even real. That's not even a
Are you
real
gonna go
picture.
somewhere? Or are you trying to walk? You're just so happy you want to walk around?
Hi. Hi. Oh, thank you for the hug. Oh, thank you. It was so humid and like hot and rainy today in baby boot camp. I'm very surprised how many moms actually came out. Here's a picture of all the moms that came out. Way to go, moms. Moms rock, come on. Baby boot camp is such a nice little community of moms. I love it. Love, 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 love it. But I have never, ever experienced that much humidity. I was drenched in sweat. It was crazy. Billy made me a quesadilla, and it's actually really, really yummy.
What do you mean, actually? She doesn't even have pigs. She's like, oh, this is so good. Can you make me another one? No.
But I want another one. Look how small it
I
is.
put all my tools away already.
You what?
I put all my tools away.
Tools.
The queen of not being finished with something and saying she wants something else, and then once she gets something else, she won't eat it. She would eat one more of these, but she would not. If she's like, maybe 3. No, you're not gonna eat 3. No, you're not.
I don't think you know how starving I am.
I don't think you know how starving you are. You're not.
I'm starving, you guys. I haven't ate anything yet. Well, now I have.
Me too.
How's your pasta?
This was good as I remember.
That's a leftover pasta. How's my quesadilla coming along?
Be quiet, Molly.
Will you put chutney in it?
Yes.
Hmm? The heck?
Oh, I should have a little bit more of that in there.
Alright, you don't want to put too much stuff in there.
Molly, please. This is my invention, not yours. Man, chill out, bro. Damn, you get on my nerves, man. You know I'm a chef, right?
Oh, you're the chef?
I'm the one good. I don't like when the lights on.
Why? Why?
Because I like for when I'm cooking, I like for it to be in the dark.
Why?
You wouldn't understand.
I'm trying to understand though. Help me understand.
Because then it's like no judgment.
No judgment? Who's judging you? What's that technique?
This closes the quesadilla in so the food doesn't fly out the side.
Oh.
Don't you know? I would like to taste one of your quesadillas. Oh, wow. You can cook some good food, but I don't think you can cook good quesadillas like me.
You don't think so?
I mean, my quesadillas are the best.
Oh yeah. Are you squeezing everything out of it?
No. Didn't you just see me lock everything in so it can't come out?
Oh. How silly of me.
Well, really, seriously. Perfect. Chutney's come out the side a little bit.
Can I please have it a little crispy?
Can you please go sit down, like, have a seat. Alright, you guys. Molly's about to try the Billy Special 2.0. This Billy Special does not have any sour cream in it.
I'll try it without sour cream first.
Come on, man. Take a good bite.
Ooh.
Yeah, I made it spicy.
No. It's like
Yeah, I made it spicy. So spicy. Too spicy for the spicy eater.
No.
She can eat stuff super spicy with habanero sauce up in there. But this too spicy for her because I put my secret ingredients in here.
No.
Yeah.
It was hot, like temperature.
So it wasn't spicy?
No, it is not spicy. It's good though. I like that. I actually like the chutney in it.
Yeah, I know what tastes good together, babe. I'm a little salty that it wasn't spicy though. Hold on, I don't want to get the garbage up in there. The garbage gonna overflow.
It's raining and thunderstorming outside. You hear that? Oh, you're waving. You say good morning, guys. You say good morning to them. You say Daddy's still sleeping, huh? He's taking a little nap. And guys, look how much bigger he is in that. Last time he was sitting in that, his feet were not like almost hanging out.
Let me see. Thank you. Good catch, B. Good girl. Here you go.
Good
catch. Good throw. No, looking. You saying bad throw. Ooh, what did just get you? Don't try to get mad at me because you can miss the catch. Throw it.
Wrong way, silly.
Is he fun to play with?
I was wondering, do you have any fun toys we can play with?
See that? I was just wondering, do you want to give me a hug?
I know what you did.
Yeah, do you want to do that? Do you want to give him a hug? Yeah? Oh, how nice. You're my best friend, you're my best friend, you're my best friend, you're my best friend.
Mwah. Give me kisses. Over here. Give me your back.
Whoa. You okay, B? You're so reckless. You reckless in here, man. I told you guys I'm gonna videotape my workouts, and I haven't done them yet because our camera's gone. So, I don't want to do it on the iPhone because that's just janky. as I'm holding the iPhone to do our vlog. Anyways, you guys, this is our life yesterday.
We'll see you guys tomorrow.
Peace. Alright team, what a nice day here in Texas. Bam and I, say hi Bam. Bam and I are about to go get my brake light fixed. And I know you might be asking yourself, you can fix your own brake light. Well, I bought all of the tools yesterday and I gave it a valiant effort. I switched brake lights before, but then this is what I did. I really stripped my screws. These screws would not come out for the life of me. On the bright side of things, I did get one screw out. There it is.